Are you going to write in a long form or a short form? Now, the first thing to consider is your product. Is there a lot you can say about your products? If your product is an electronic gadget, camera, insurance policy, investment, courses, seminars, resorts, you need to write a lot, and therefore you require long copy. But consider other products like chewing gum, food, liquor, jewelry, soap. These don't need long copy. We all know that. The next thing to consider is your audience. Some people don't need a lot of information about a product, and others do. If you want to prefer eating Maggie over oats in the morning during your breakfast, you need to understand who eats Maggie and who should eat oats. Obviously, the health conscious people will eat oats and not Maggie. And that's what will you require to explain in your copywriting. How is oats more beneficial than eating Maggie? The third factor which determines the length of your copy is the purpose. If you want your copy to generate a sales lead, there is no point in writing a lot or going in detail. The prospect response can be gained through a short copy as well. But if the ad asks for a response via email, then a longer copy may be required because you need more facts about the products before a customer wants to buy. So take these factors into account when you are writing. The more expensive the product, the more copy you need to sell it. This makes sense because people need more reasons to shell out their hard-earned money in exchange for your product or services. Also take into consideration the purpose. Long copy is usually needed for the products or services that have a lot of objections, that have a lot of questions, that have a lot of doubts in the minds of the customer. So you need to explain more about the product or services you're offering. The third factor is your audience. Busy executives and professionals may usually prefer short copy because they're always in a hurry. But many people have a lot of time in their hands. So you can consider that as well. People who need to buy big electronic items, they can go for a short copy. They are fine with it because these products, they already need them. But longer copy may be required for products which they don't need. You need to explain the importance why they should buy that product. Buying longer copy may be required for products that they don't need. Another factor is familiarity. If the prospect or the customer is also familiar with the product, then short copy is preferred. They don't need much information anymore because they might have already purchased the product before. Ultimately, all things being equal, long copy ads actually sells more than the short copy. But it is upon you to decide what is your target audience, what information you want to deliver to your customers. Accordingly, you can frame your copy.